Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this baby's breast. They works perfectly as the filler flower in our bouquet. If you are new here, I'm sharing easy crochet tutorials every week. Please subscribe and turn on notification. Don't forget to tag me on Ins when finish your work. Now let's begin. These are materials we'll be using. This is how each bunch of flower looks like. You can do any color. For each bunch of flower, we will do 8 small flowers. Now I'll demonstrate how to do this small flower with an orange yarn. Here I will start with a double circle. If it's too difficult for you, you can do a normal magic ring, and then we will work in this circle. Firstly, we will chain 1 as a turning chain and do not count this as a stitch. Now we work 5 single crochet in the circle. Now we have 5 single crochet, we will then close the circle. We firstly pull through the tail and we will notice one of the yarn is moving. Here we pull through this removable yarn to close the circle. Then we pull through the tail again to further close it. In this way the circle is super tight. Now we work a slip stitch through the first space to close this round. Then we chain 3 to start round 2. Here we find the second space from the hook and work 1 single crochet. Then another single crochet in the next space. Now we find the second space and work a slip stitch. Then we repeat to chain 3. Then we do 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 spaces. Now a slip stitch into the next space, so this is the pattern of this row, and we will repeat to get 5 of these small petals. Here we finished the 5th and we'll close this round. We will find the first space of this round and do a slip stitch. Here we can cut off the yarn and pull through the tail. After that, we can move the tail to the back of the flower and move it closer to the flower center. So this is our small flower and we will do 8 of them. Then we find a piece of craftware to work our flower heart. We still make 8 flower heart, then we assemble everything and done.